Good morning, welcome back. It is time for your health check. You know, I don't use the word cure lightly when it comes to cancer, but today I will because a doctor at UT Southwestern did. A new way they are treating some cancers is groundbreaking and promising.
Brian Hacker is not the kind of guy you want to mess with. Tough, sharp, he builds custom vehicles. 3 years ago on his birthday,
I ended up going into the hospital. I had some pain.
he thought it was just kidney stones, but it wasn't.
Facing your own mortality will absolutely change you to your core. All the welding and fabrication is done on this.
Brian was 47 and diagnosed with stage 4 renal cell carcinoma, kidney cancer that has spread to both lungs.
There are words that will completely shift your gravity. Stage 4 cancer, no cure, terminal.
Treatment options were limited. Surgeons removed one kidney, but instead of starting chemo, doctors at UT Southwestern tried a different approach.
What we wanted to do is we wanted to try something new.
They enrolled Brian in a clinical trial to treat his tumors with Pinpoint radiation developed at Simmons Cancer Center.
It's this technology that really allows us to make it a lot more focused and pinpoint.
He wore a custom mold and lined up in a machine to receive focused radiation. 3 rounds, 1 hour at a time, with weeks between treatments.
We got rid of those few spots in his lung.
Over 90% of patients in their small clinical trial are cancer-free after 1 year.
For some patients, we will be able to cure them. For others, we will be able to give them a good quality of life for a certain period of time.
And there's another huge benefit.
It is also safe and has minimal side effects. Most of our patients that we are doing this stereotactic radiation come in their lunch break and get radiation, go back to work the same day.
Brian's quality of life was uninterrupted. His tumors are shrinking and he's looking forward to his 50th birthday next month.
I didn't want to waste away in a hospital bed. You know, I didn't want my mom to have to bury her son.
Now, the results of this clinical trial were just published. Doctors at UT Southwestern got approval to do a larger phase 3 trial study, which is going to look at whether this type of pinpoint radiation gives patients a sort of head start 2 or 3 years down the line should they need chemo or systemic therapies later on.
Well, he certainly sounds optimistic after that. I guess the question is, did he change anything else, his lifestyle, after this treatment?
Oh, it's interesting you asked that. I did ask him. He told me that he did tweak his diet to eat a healthier lifestyle, but he always maintained a positive mindset. He said from the moment he received his diagnosis, he knew he was not going to let cancer beat him. And I think that does make a difference.
Oh, great story. Thanks, Sonia.
Sure.
Let's go.